Hello everyone. In the last video, we have seen the split and concatenate function. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss the some trigonometrical function signs like sine x, sine function, cos, and tan function. For this, first we need to using a NumPy. Using NumPy, first we need to import NumPy array. As I have already imported NumPy array, so it not need to again. But to show the graph of the sine, cos, and tan function, we need to another library called Matplotlib. Matplotlib library we will discuss in separate lecture about the Matplotlib, but we need here Matplotlib to simply I am going to import Matplotlib library to show the graph of sine and cos. But don't worry, but we are going to will discuss in another separate video about this library. So import Matplotlib dot pyplot as PLT, shortcut name PLT, or you can use another name, but generally there are so many books use the PLT as a Matplotlib shortcut name. So for this trigonometric function, we need to import NumPy and Matplotlib. We have already imported NumPy, so need not to again. Now suppose this we need to call np.sine. Okay, and suppose we need to know the value of 180 sine 180. Simple run. Okay, you can see the accurate value of sine 180. Similarly, you can find another value, suppose np.sine 90. Okay, you can see the 0.89, the accurate value of sine, and sine 90 and sine 180. Similarly, you can you can call the cos function, cos 180, and then run. Okay, you can see the accurate value of cos function and sine function. Similarly, you can find the value of tan theta. So np.tan, and suppose we want to find the value of 180. So pass 180, and you got sine 180. Sorry, tan 180. Now I'm going to plot the value of sine and cos function, sine, cos, and tan function. So for this, first we need to take a value of sine function. Okay, so suppose the x, suppose we need to create a x-axis and y-axis value of sine function. So for suppose we have sine, this name is x sine. Okay, np dot, we call np dot arrange function, np dot arrange from 0 to 3 pi. Pi, the value of pi is 3.17, but we can use we have an inbuilt pi function. For this we multiply 3 star, it means we multiply n, we call pi np dot pi. Okay, np dot pi, it means 3 pi, and the step size 0.1, suppose 0.1. So the value of x in the sine function from 0 to 3 pi with step size 0.01. Okay, now print this x underscore sine. Okay, and then run. Okay, you can see here the all values of 0 to 3 pi with step size 1. Now we are going to show the corresponding the y, so the y-axis value. For this we call y underscore sine assigned to np dot sine, and here pass the corresponding x value. We use for the y value we use the sine function, so we call sine function and pass the value of x. So what is the value of x? Is the x underscore sine. Okay, now run. Take it is under process. I think x sine. Sorry, first we need to print this. Print y underscore sine, and now run. Okay, you can see the corresponding the sine value of x is x, the value of x and corresponding value of sine. Now we need to plot this. Okay, now I am going to plot this sine function because we have already installed or we have already imported the Matplotlib. So Matplotlib as a PLT, so we use the plot function in the library, which is inbuilt in library in Matplotlib. Okay, so call PLT dot plot function, plot, and assign here both axis x and y axis. So axis means x underscore sine and comma y underscore sine, and then plt show plt dot show to show the graph. To show the graph of the function, we use the show function. So plt dot show and then run. Okay, this is the error. What is this type of error? You can see here x sine x. I think this is the capital. We use the small. Okay, because we have already used the small x. Now, okay, pyplot. Okay, so the name PLT is not defined because when we import the Matplotlib, we are not going to run this Matplotlib. Now, when we run this Matplotlib, then it is installed or import in this Jupyter notebook, and now we call this Matplotlib as a PLT and use the PLT dot show, then run. Okay, now you can see here the sine function, the sine graph. Okay, because PLT show dot used to show the graph of the function. Okay, similarly we can draw the graph of cos function, but for this we need first the value of cos function, because I have only the x-axis values. For first the value of cos function, first we need to call is y underscore cos equal to np dot cos function and assign the x-axis value. It means x underscore sine. Okay, this is the x-axis value. Now plot. Now we use the plot function plt dot plot and assign here x underscore sine comma y underscore cos, and then plt dot show to show the plot, to show the graph of the function, and then run. Okay, you can see here the graph of cos function. Similarly, we can draw the graph of tan function. Okay, to draw the graph of tan function, first we need to the copy and paste of the above. Okay, this here we copy and now we paste here. Okay, now the little will change. The cos function replace the tan. Okay, and now here y underscore cos replaced by tan. Okay, now we assign the plot. Here the value of y means y underscore tan, and again plot dot show function to show the graph of the function. Now run. Okay, the error, which type of error? Because here c is not erased, because we call dot np dot tan function, not c tan function. So remove tan, remove c, and np dot tan function we call simply tan function. And now run. Okay, you can see the graph of tan function, the very beautiful graph of tan and sine function we can draw with the help of NumPy. Okay, with the help of NumPy and Matplotlib, the library. Okay, okay. I think this is all. This all things are you are good. But if you have any inquiry or if you had any query related to this, how to plot and how to draw and how to install the NumPy and Matplotlib, please tell me in the comment section. And if you like this, please and like the video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.